Hey everybody, it's RF Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be making a speed loader for this magazine. This is a Tippmann TMC Magfed paintball gun. So my nephew actually asked me to make him a speed loader for this paintball gun. They do sell speed loaders, but I wanted to design one that I could print out for very cheap, and that's what I did. So I'm going to show you guys what I did right now. So the first thing I did is I designed it to hold about 10 rounds per chamber, because I thought the magazine holds about 20 rounds, but it actually is recommended that you only put 18 rounds in it. So we're gonna cut it down a little bit just to be about 9 rounds per chamber. To make this piece right here, I actually just took measurements and pictures with a ruler in order to get the measurements accurate. We know that the paintball is about 17.33 millimeters in diameter, and so I went based off of that, and we made the hole about 18 millimeters. That's about as far into detail on the design as I'm going to go. Now there is a couple of things that I need to fix, which is this. We're having an issue with the lip and the diameter of the hopper. So in order to refill this, I need to put something that presses the button here, because this lever actually opens it up so you can drop paintballs in. And in order to drop the paintballs in, we're going to just turn it just slightly, and the paintballs just drop right in. So that's 9 rounds, and that should be 18 rounds. And there you go. You got a full mag. And that's it. You're ready to go. So I will be leaving a link on where you could get this Tippmann TMC Magfed paintball gun. Everybody, it's RF Tech Guy. Yeah, so I actually finished designing the hopper and speed loader lid. And I ended up designing a cap that's made from TPU. So it's a flexible material, and the CR10 actually printed this really good. I was actually kind of surprised I didn't have to do any modifications to the CR10 V2 in order to print this TPU. But yeah, so as requested, we actually shrunk down the diameter of the hopper in order for it to fit in those in the hopper pockets. I don't know what they're called, but yeah. And I also designed some, made some lines to indicate where each chamber is, and we also put RF Tech Guy YouTube on it. So the cap is very easy to remove. I'm gonna put this in between chambers. I already wound it down. Another issue we were having was opening this chamber here, as you can see. So in the new design, I actually made modifications in order to open the chamber. So if you look at it here, the chamber opens right up. Alright, now we're going to drop in the rounds. It should be 9 rounds. That's another thing I did. I shrunk it down in order to fit only 18, in order to put only 18 rounds in there. And that should be 18 altogether. There you go. So that's about all the time I have for today. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want to see more designs or have any other suggestions, you guys can leave them in the comments below. We're also going to be 3D printing stuff for RF Kids TV, so if you want, you could go check out RF Kids TV. Halloween's coming up, so we got to do a lot of 3D printing. I'm going to be running 2 3D printers probably non-stop until Halloween. So yeah, check it out.